These are asking us to simplify the product, and what does that mean? What does that mean? That means that we have to distribute this through. That multiplies everything in there, okay? And let's just do it. 2n times n squared. Well, we first multiply the coefficients, but n squared just has a coefficient of 1, okay? So we've got 2 n times n squared, n to the third. And then let me erase this and show you what I'm doing on this one. I'm doing this one next. 2n times 3n. 2 times 3 is 6. Positive 6. Got to separate them with a plus or a minus. Positive 6, and n times n is n squared. And then finally, we're doing that times that. 2n times 4, 8n. And that is A. Okay, let's keep going. Here we got 5a squared times 3a to the fourth. And what are we going to do there? We're going to multiply the coefficients. 5 times 3 is 15. And a squared times a to the fourth, that is 6 a's being multiplied together, a to the sixth. Then we're going to multiply this times that. 5 times 3, again, is 15. And notice this. There's an a squared term and a b, so we end up with a squared b. They all multiply together like that. Okay? And finally, multiplying those, 5a squared times 2 is, 5 times 2 is 10. And the a squared is there, but that 2 doesn't have any variable attached to it, so we still continue to have that same a squared. And then we look for that answer. Where do we see it? 15a to the sixth plus 15a squared b plus 10a squared, that's c. Okay, let's do that one more time. Just erase those marks. And let's do that one more time. So we're going to do this times this. 8p times negative 3p squared. 8 times negative 3, negative 24. P times p squared, p cubed. And then we do this times that. 8p times 6p, that is a positive 48. P times p is p squared. And then finally we do 8p times negative 2. 8 times negative 2 is negative 16. And then there's just the 1p. So if we're looking for that answer, we say negative 24p cubed plus 48p squared minus 16p. It's answer D. Done.